changing engine oil, transmission fluid, PTU.
There you go, nice and red.
Guys, if you want me to explain this, let me know.
Here's the bad news.
See all this metal shavings right there? Alright guys, let me tell you how I was troubleshooting the boost leak. So, took my intake out. I put what is that, 3-inch or something plug. I tapped it into the compressor hose. I put a fitting in there. And my biggest problem was this guy right here. Let me put the light on. Like I told you before, it's my noisemaker, because it moves right here. You guys can see it. And as it moves, nothing is leaking up to 10 psi. I had a compressor right here. Up to 10 psi, everything is sound. As soon as you go above, which, you know, tuned cars, we go above 10 psi. Like if you're running stock tune, this is not an issue, doesn't lose any pressure, everything works fine. As soon as you go above 10 psi, I went to like a 12, you start hearing noises all over the place. You want to look after turbos, and the biggest culprit was this guy right here, because how it moves right here. SHO appendix, we're gonna call it, because that's losing all my pressure here. It's a big problem. So that's how I did my boost leak test. I'll be ordering one, and yeah, sounds like I found my problem. Alright guys, welcome to Pete 717, another episode. In this episode we are changing oil in my Ford Taurus SHO, changing engine oil, transmission fluid, PTU. It's really cold, it's about 30 degrees right now. Snow is it's gonna be cold and a little bit nasty, but I have to do it because my mileage is up and the weather is not getting better. Let's get straight to it. Don't change the channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, please consider clicking subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up for the brutal oil change, and let's hit it. And we are on the rims. And we're gonna get straight to the oil change.
And as we inspect the car, everything is great. Here's your engine oil and my header wrap, holding up very well. Summertime, I would like to shorten this wrap, especially this guy right here. I want to shorten it down to here. I notice there's a drippage in here on the connection of the downpipe. I want to tighten this up as well. But for now, 15 millimeter. There you go. Broke it loose. This is a 5,000 mile oil change. Come on. There you go. Yay.
This is the oil we're using, 530 full synthetic, and this is the filter. Here you go, ready to go right here. Guys, if you don't have XDI fuel pump, time to get one, I'm telling you. And I just ordered my hot pipe for this guy right here to get rid of the appendix. I'll make a video later. Pipe's not here yet, so we're gonna be replacing this. About 15 minutes later, it's still running strong, so I'm gonna leave it for 10 more minutes.
Oil filter is coming out next. I already loosened this guy up, ready to come out.
So oil filter is next. I just tightened the nut, everything is good. This oil filter is always a little bit of a mess. Alright, there you go. That's your filter. Guys, the key is this: do not over tighten your filter. It doesn't need to be cranked down like crazy, because it has a gasket, rubber gasket, it'll seal itself. Like, that's it. That's all you need. That's it. Whatever you can do with the fingers, that's as tight as you want to go. You go any more than that, you'll be screwed later on the way
out. So
alright, now we're putting oil back in. I'm gonna put 5.5 and then we'll start and check. Alright, let's go start the car. Just want to make sure nothing drips underneath.
yeah, oh, looks nice and tight. Tighty.
Oh yeah. See all this metal shavings right there, and these guys right there. That's when I did my PTU changes. The shavings that came out of my PTU. See all this glitter right there? That's the PTU.
Alright, transmission is next.
You will need this one right here, this guy.
11 millimeter. I want to say, there you go, nice and red. Put that nut right there. Talking to myself, baby.
Oh, it's getting windy and colder. Oh, it's about
A gallon and something came out. Stops dripping.
that's enough. We plug the hole. Gonna put approximately same thing back. You don't have to tight super hard. So now we're gonna fill in the same amount we drain out, then level the car, park it, test it, make sure it's correct amount, check the level, and I'll explain you how to do that. Alright guys, in order for you to get to the oil, you need to get the filter out. Cold is not helping, it's super nasty. So a lot of you guys don't have this, but I have this mud for more cold air. If you want me to explain this, how I did it, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to explain this thing. For now, we got down to the, let me put you right here. Right now we got down to the transmission. One quick caution notice: when you're pouring the oil in the transmission, go very slow. I'll show you how, because that only receives so much at one time. If you go fast, it will spill all over the place. It'll be on the floor instead of the transmission. Lesson learned. Nice and easy. I would say don't go more than that, or you'll see it on the floor of your garage or driveway. There you go, that's better. Alright, that's empty. Maybe half of this as well. That should be enough. Gonna start the car, drive off the ramp, and check the oil. Check the transmission fluid. You have to first bring the engine to the fully operating temperature, not fully, but at least 140 degrees. That's about 30-40 minutes of driving, depending on the ambient temperature. Then you park it in the level, and then you go through the gears. So you go from parking to reverse, 5 seconds, neutral, 5 seconds, drive, 5 seconds, back to parking. As the engine runs, we'll go and check the fluid level. I'm running without filter, I know, but I'm not revving up or anything. Nothing crazy is going on here. Pull it out. And we have perfect amount of fluid, so we're good. Once again, guys, if you want me to explain this, let me know and I'll make a video about it.
Here's the bad news. The bad news is, once you install your PPE downpipes, you can't get to the, this is a PTU right here, and the old downpipe used to be kind of like a cattle converter, was smaller. Now with this guy, I can't get, I mean, I can get my hand in there and touch the nut that I need to loosen up, and that's about as best as it gets. I can't really I can't drain or service PTU without removing the downpipe. So it's not gonna happen today. It's too cold to even removing downpipes. We're gonna save the PTU service for another day. I just had my PTU replaced by the dealer
about 5,000 miles ago, so it still should be in a good shape. I just wanted to do it just so I can see. We're gonna drain a Gearhead intercooler right now and see what it collected over time. All right, last part of my journey. 29 degrees right now. Look at that sky. Like, brutal. I deserve like and comment, guys, please, for this brutality. Let's check my here is where your Gearhead intercooler drain plug is. All right, I got this ready, that ready. Oh, there you go. This Gearhead intercooler was installed for about 5,000 miles. 5,000 miles ago. There you go. Not much. Just so it had 5,000 miles. This is what I got out of it. A little bit of liquid and 1 drop of oil. This is all I got. That's the intercooler story. Alright guys, so final thoughts on this. Change the oil, you saw that. Change the transmission, you've seen it. PTU, highly disappointed. PPE Downpipes with the cats, impossible. Drain the intercooler. Well, you saw it. In the next video we're gonna do some more mods to the car. So starting to snow, I'm frozen. I just need a bubble bath. I'm just gonna go get a hot bubble bath. So stay subscribed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.